How is it going, everyone? Welcome back to COİN. In today's video, I'll be sharing some jaw-dropping highlights from a recent Heritage Auctions event, where ordinary-looking US circulation and bullion coins fetched extraordinary prices. If you haven't already, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on an incredible find like this one. Let's dive right into it. It was a stunning 1926 S Lincoln Cent graded mint state 65 red and brown. From a modest mintage of just 4.5 million, this coin is a true survivor, rarely seen at this level of preservation. In fact, finding one in finer is nearly impossible. The original red hues of this remarkable gem have gently mellowed to a light brown in certain areas, creating a striking contrast. With the flawless surfaces, a bold strike, and dazzling mint luster, it's an absolute showstopper. The eye appeal, outstanding, and the final hammer price, a cool $3,120. On December 13, 2024. Stay tuned because there is more to come. Don't go anywhere. This is a stunning 1947 Washington quarter with beautifully toned surfaces graded MS68 by PCGS. This superb, uncirculated gem is a true standout, while examples in lower grades are relatively common. The 1947 Washington quarter is a significant rarity in MS68 condition, with fewer than 10 examples recorded at this level. This particular coin showcases the sharply defined details and vibrant frosty mint luster. Its most captivating feature is a brilliant rainbow toning gracing the lower obverse edge, while the rest of the surface gleams with a champagne-like brilliance. A single minuscule mark in the left obverse field appears to be the only imperfection, though it's virtually invisible to the naked eye. It ended up selling for $7,800. Here is 1946 S Jefferson Nickels graded in mint state 67 with full steps. Within the early Jefferson Nickels series, the 1946 S from San Francisco stands out as relatively obtainable in full steps. However, coins of this issue become exceptionally scarce in MS67 condition, with no examples graded higher. This premium quality registry coin features flawless surfaces, a sharp and well-defined strike, and is accented by soft ice blue and pale lavender tones that enhances its visual appeal. It fetched a sum of $2,280 on December 13, 2024. Here is 1938 D Lincoln Cent in mint state 68 red. 1938 D cents were very well made, and mint state examples are almost always sharply struck from dies that show no more than moderate wear. Fully red gems are slightly scarcer than most cents of the late 1930s. Although a common date overall, the 1938 Lincoln Cent becomes a great rarity in the top red grade. PCGS and NGC combined report less than 20 MS68 red coins, with none finer, making this piece essential for advanced registry collector. A sharp strike complements satiny copper red and orange luster with satiny appearance devoid of spotting or abrasions. This gem ended up selling for $6,600. Uncirculated wartime quarter dollar, 1941 25-cent piece graded in mint state 68 by PCGS. The 1941 Washington quarter graded MS68 by PCGS is a superb example of this mid-20th century US coinage, distinguished by its exceptional preservation and aesthetic appeal. While the Philadelphia Mint struck an impressive 79 million quarters in 1941, coins of this issue surviving in such high grades are incredibly scarce. This piece at the pinnacle of the grading scale for this date represents one of the finest known examples. In MS68 condition, this quarter exhibits stunning original mint luster and razor-sharp details throughout the design, including the intricate features of Washington's portrait and eagles on the reverse. This rare quarter dollar was sold for $6,000 on December 12, 2024. Here is highly sought-after proof 1970 S Lincoln Cent with small date, graded as PR69 red deep cameo by PCGS. This nearly flawless small date coin is tied for the finest known of the issue, and it is an incredible rarity. This fine, rich copper orange color adorns deep mirrors with appreciable contrast against the satiny devices. There were two different types of pennies made in 1970, and one of that was far rarer and worth more than the other. One is a small date variety and one is a large date variety. The scarce 1970s small date variety is characterized by a more delicate date of a finer punch as compared to the large date variety. The large date variety will exhibit 7 that is relatively level with the rest of the date, more so than its counterpart by quite a bit. The word liberty is weak and indistinct on all specimens of this variety, including proofs. Those are the main differences between two coins. It all comes down to 9 in the years, the 1970. The 9 on this variety shows the tail of the upper loop tapered more to a point and curved up slightly higher than on the large date version. And this is how the most collectors discern one from the other. Also, the bottom point of the numeral 7 is much below the 0 in the date on large date cent. This proof variety recently sold for staggering $9,600 at Heritage auctions. This remarkable 1970 National Bicentennial Gold Medal recently achieved an astounding $49,200 at Heritage auctions, graded Mint State 65 by NGC. This medal represents the U.S. Mint's grand tribute to the nation's bicentennial, designed by the renowned chief engraver Frank Gasparro. As the largest gold medal ever struck by U.S. Mint, it boasts impressive dimensions, 76 millimeters in diameter, and contains 14.72 troy ounces of 0.900 fine gold. The medal celebrates the enduring principles of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, showcased through Gasparro's highly detailed Statue of Liberty motif in ultra-high relief, framed by the dual dates. This particular example is number 13 and only 424 pieces were distributed. However, many were likely melted during the 1980s, making surviving examples exceedingly rare. It is enclosed in an oversized NGC holder. Next, check out this stunning 1950D Franklin $half, graded Mint State 67 with full bell lines. Known for its superior strikes compared to its Philadelphia counterpart, the 1950D is a standout issue from the Denver Mint. While generally well struck, both the Philadelphia and Denver halves from this era often suffer from heavy contact marks, making examples graded above MS65 exceptionally rare, especially with the coveted full bell lines designation. By 1950, the nation was rebounding from post-war inflation and unemployment, which is reflected in the higher coin production numbers compared to the preceding years. This remarkable coin boasts delicate champagne tones with hints of russet around the borders, adding a touch of elegance to its pristine frosted surfaces. A razor-sharp strike further enhances its appeal, making it a true gem for registry collectors. In MS67 with full bell lines, the 1950D Franklin $half is an extraordinary rarity, with fewer than a dozen examples certified at its elite level by both NGC and PCGS combined. A true collector's dream. It was sold for $7,200 on December 13, 2024 at Heritage Auctions. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe buttons below this video, and God's willing, see you in the next episode.